Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get dark textures in Rivals. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, you want to go ahead to the drive link. I'm going to leave a Google Drive link in the description and just download dark textures for Rivals. This will be a zip file which we need to go ahead and extract all. Make sure to extract it. I already have right there. And now you want to go ahead and open up Roblox Player, open file location. Right click on it and go open file location. After you are here, you also want to go ahead and open up dark textures folder. And also you want to go ahead and create a new folder for the old textures. So you're gonna see in a second. So on Roblox Player, you want to right click again and open file location. Now you will be redirected to this page where you want to click platform content, then click on PC. Now before going into the textures folder, as you can see there's all textures. You want to right click on the textures here and open up properties. On properties you want to go ahead and uncheck read only option, click apply and OK. And after that you want to open up textures, go and move the all textures to new folder, newly created, then open up dark textures, go ahead and click Ctrl A and copy them and paste them here to the textures folder. And now you want to go ahead and open up Roblox Rivals, load the game. And here you have your dark textures. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.